coffee in the morning. Good morning YouTube, Captain Darren here, and for VFR. Today I have a very special package right here. It's the OM2000 Plus amplifier. It's an HF amplifier. Stay tuned for my unboxing. Made in Slovakia. When you receive your OM amplifier, and matter of fact I purchased this from Array Solutions in Texas. It comes shipped to you by DHL on a crate, a little mini crate. When I inspected my unit, however, for some reason it looks like it got bashed in and then wrapped around. So I'm gonna open it up and take a look. Hey, Charlie. Alright, so second time one. Alright, as I open the box, this is what I first see. Some paperwork here. They tested the amplifier in their factory, and they have the recommended tune and load where to start from and what the power inputs required and how much power you'll be putting out in the SWR. And it comes with the user manual, and that's where I ordered my amplifier from Array Solutions. Schematics in the back. Alright, set that aside. It'll be tricky. So as I lift my amplifier, I'm just going to knock the box over, kick it off to the side. Alright, this is 53 pounds. Now let's do it like this. What you also get in the package, this was inside the box, you get an RCA plug and you get the power cord, and it's set up for 240 with a few spare fuses. Alright, now it's time to remove the plastic covering cellophane, but first, coffee. It's getting cold. Alright, here we go. £53 worth of transformer and the linear amplifier. The removal of the screen protector. The specs for the OM2000 Plus: it covers the amateur band from 1.8 megahertz through 29.7 megahertz. The power output is 2000 plus watts on both sideband and CW. You need an input power of between 40 to 60 watts for the full power output. The maximum output for the standing wave ratio is 2:1. And they have an SWR protection. It says here automatic switching to standby when your reflected power is 250 watts or higher. In the front it's fairly simple. You have your forward power and SWR cross needles, the band selector. I mostly operate out of 40 meters. You have your tune capacitor and the load capacitor. And on the back side, you have your input power, your ground lug for your key transmitter key in from your radio. You have 3 antenna selectors. Fairly simple. Well, we're at the end of my video. If you like it, please click the like button. Also, please consider to subscribe. This is the OM2000 HF Amplifier. Thank you for watching. This is N4 VFR 73s from Jacksonville, Florida.